Immobiliser Fit. So if a thief got this key to this Discovery 5 2022 plate, went to start it up, it's going to start and immediately switch off. They try again, it's going to do the same. Goes to start, cranks and switches off. So for the customer, turn the ignition on with their foot off the brake, pop their code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3, but that could be unique to the customer. Get a disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the vehicle, and it fires into life and runs. They can drive off. Or they can turn their Bluetooth on their connected phone. Next time they get in, just start the vehicle up. It disarms straight away through the phone and they can drive off. No need to waste time with the PIN code. Just works like a normal vehicle. Phone in your pocket, you can start and drive away. This is the Starline Pro, also has a service mode. When you take it back to Range Rover, it can be turned off indefinitely until you turn it back on. So when it's in for service, they're not going to know anything's on the vehicle. When you get it back, you can obviously turn it straight back on. And then once you leave the vehicle, 10 seconds thereafter, your phone's out of range, someone tries to steal it, goes to start and switches straight off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Immobiliser on a 2022 Discovery 5. Thanks for watching.